Dear students, today we will be discussing about subtraction of like fraction. In this case, firstly we have to find the like fraction. We'll represent in the diagram. Then conceptually we will be understand how to subtract. Okay, let me start. First of all, this is a frame or box having 5 boxes. Yeah, and let's fill up one box, and now the second and the third. How many boxes are filled up by the different egg? 3. So the fraction for this filling part, side part, that is 3 by 5. Yeah, now moving to the next part, let me highlight this frame or the second fraction. And the second one, only one part is shaded. The both are equal in size, but only one is shaded, that is 1 by 5. Out of 5 boxes, one is shaded, so though the shaded fraction is 1 by 5. Our purpose is to check whether they are like fraction or not. Yeah, you know the definition of like fraction is the fraction having the same denominator. Yeah, fraction having the same denominator. What is the denominator in the first? 5. And what is the denominator in the second? That is also 5. So in both fraction the denominator is same, so they are like fraction. Yeah, like fraction. Now our purpose is to subtract like fraction. From 3 by 5 we have to subtract 1 by 5. So next part is, dear students, let me highlight. Yes, this is 3 by 5 as shown in the first case. As shown in the first case, this fraction is also 3 by 5. Then our purpose is to remove 1 by 5 part or subtract 1 by 5. Here you can see 1 by 5, which is shown in the figure, means one shaded part, that which is shown by the blue color. Yeah, which is shown by the blue color, we have to remove, we have to subtract, or you have to remove from here. So let me check, means this blue part we have to remove from here. Okay, which is removed. Now out of 3 shaded part, how many are left? Now there are only 2 left. So solution, we can do this way. They have the common denominator because they have same number of axes in the same size and the shape. So out of 3, 1 is removed. 3 by 5 minus 1 by 5 is 3 minus 1 by 5. The result is 2 by 5. In this way we will subtract. Conceptually you have to understand, out of 3 parts, out of 3 shaded part, 1, 2 and 3 shaded part, this blue is removed and there remains only 2 shaded part out of 5, which is called 2 by 5. In this way we can subtract the like fraction. I think you understand this. Circles, among them 3 circles are totally filled up, and the 4th circle is divided into 4 parts. In 3 circles also they have divided in 4 parts, which is sided. Also no parts are given there, that is whole. Dividing in 4s and all are sided means that shows like this. Yeah, here we can divide, here we can divide this way, but the meaning is same. Yeah, here also we can divide here, but same. So this is called 3 whole 3 by 4. Actually you know that 3 whole, 1 whole, 2 whole and 3 whole. Yeah, actually 3 whole, yeah, 1 whole, 2 whole and 3 whole, that is 3. And 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. Out of 4 parts, 3 parts are sided. So the total fraction is 3 whole 3 by 4. Yeah, 3 whole 3 by 4 is the total fraction. And now we have to subtract. We have to subtract this 1 whole 2 whole 1 by 4. Yeah, it is 2 whole 1 by 4. Yeah, out of 4 parts, one is added, and 1 and 2 whole parts are given. So from this we have to subtract this. So 3 whole 3 over 4 minus 2 whole 1 over 4. This is our purpose. Yeah. So this whole and this whole can be removed. This whole and this whole can be removed. And this part and this part also can be removed. And the remaining you can count. It is 1 whole and 2 sided parts. Yes, that is left. So it is called 1 whole 2 by 4. While simplifying this problem, we can do by two process. Firstly, we can collect whole number plus 3 over 4 minus 1 over 4. Yeah. Then this is 1 plus 4 is the common, 3 minus 1. Equal 1 plus 3 minus 1 is 2 by 4. Equal 1 whole 2 by 4. We have not considered the lowest term over here. We have not cancelled this. That will be 1 by 2. Yeah. Actually, at the beginning, we can find this. And the same problem can be done by another process. Another method you can see. 3 4 the 12. Convert into improper fraction. 3 4 the 12 plus 3. 15 over 4. Minus 4 to the 8 plus 1. 9 over 4. Yes, we know what is common for. 15 minus 9. The subtraction 6 by 4 equal 4 1s are 4, remainder 2, denominator 4. In this way we can find the subtraction of mixed fraction or mixed number. In this way we can subtract. Two methods we have discussed. First method is this, second method is this. Improper, converting into improper, you can subtract, or you can separate the whole numbers and remaining, that is a proper fraction, you can separate, and you can do in this way. And sometimes this is given bigger, this is bigger. The best method will be this. Every problem can be solved by this method easily, and this method will be sometimes contradictory or difficult for the learners. Yeah. Dear students, now we are going to discuss about some examples of like fraction, subtraction of like fraction. Subtraction of like fraction first. We are going to discuss on it. Yeah. Actually, firstly, I will show some example. Suppose we have given 3 by 7 minus 1 by 7. The solution is 3 over 7 minus 1 over 7. That's the 7 is common. 3 minus 1. That's 2 by 7. Easily you can find the answer. Yeah, there is no doubt. Number two, dear students, suppose we have given 2 by 5 minus 2 by 2 over 5. It's a very interesting question. 2 over 5 minus 2 over 5. Simply, if you have written 0, nobody will complain. Same number minus same number will be 0. But in case of a fraction, we have to solve by another process. You will have another logic. I will show that part. So 2 over 5 minus 2 over 5 equal 5 is common. 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 is 0 over 5 equals 0. You know, this is the logics, or this is the new knowledge for you all. There's 0 is divided by 5, 0 ja 0. Yes, 5 0 is 0. So 0 by something, it will be 0. It helps to understand in your life, or in the coming days also you need to apply 0 by some number itself 0, that gives the value 0. 5 0 0 0. This is the process concept. So you can write 0, but if you have written directly this process, nobody will complain, because same number minus same number is 0, that we know. Now we are going to discuss the subtraction of mixed number. Yeah, subtraction of mixed number. In this case, dear students, we will be discuss of many questions, but different nature, different types. One first we will be discussing very simple. 2 whole 2 by 5 minus 1 whole 1 by 5, 1 over 5. Suppose we have these given this question, and the solution will be like this: 2 whole 2 over 5 minus 1 whole 1 over 5. Then you can collect the whole numbers: 2 minus 1 plus 2 over 5 minus 1 over 5. Separate the whole numbers and the proper fraction. 2 minus 1 is 1, plus 5 is common, 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, equal 1 plus 2 minus 1 is 1 over 5. It can be written as 1 whole 1 by 5. This is the process first. But we can solve the same process by another method, same problem by another method. This is changing first into improper fraction. Improper fraction. So from this step, yes, the solution is 2 over 2 by 5 minus 1 over 1 by 5. So 5 to the 10 plus 2, 12 over 5 minus 5, 1 to 5 plus 1, 6 over 5. Yeah. Then what is common? 5. 12 minus 6. Just we can subtract the numerator, denominator remains the same. So 12 minus 6 is 6 over 5. Then it can convert 5 1 to 5, 1 by 6. That's 6. Divided by 5, 1 to 5. You can subtract 1 remainder, so 1 quotient, 1 whole remainder 1 over 6. Oh, sorry, 5. This is the answer. So in this way we can solve. Second method is more preferable than first method. Most of the problem can be, all type of questions can be solved by second method. Sometimes it may have confusion in some case if you are not confident, or you can change the process. Yeah. Now the next question of the same process, same problem, same types of problem, mixed number. Yes, mixed number, subtraction. Suppose a question is given: 4 whole 2 over 6 minus 1 whole 3 over 6. The solution is this. If we convert separate the whole numbers, then the denominator 2 minus, let me check, but it will be more difficult for the students of your level or grade 4. Suppose 4 minus 1, the whole numbers are separated, plus 2 over 6 minus 3 over 6. If the second part is more, then it will be very tough to solve the question. It will be difficult. 3 plus, but this is not preferred method. 3 equal 3 plus 2 minus 3 is minus 1 over 6. Then it will be difficult to tackle. 3 minus 1 over 6, plus times minus is minus. Again 3 6 18 minus 1 by 6 you have to do. Yeah, 6 17 by 6 over 6 equal 6 to the 12, 5 by 6 is the answer. This is a very tough, but another method converting into improper, dear students. 6 for the 24 plus 2 26 over 6 minus 6 1 the 6 plus 3 9 by 6, and the 6 26 minus 9, that is 17 over 6 equal to whole 5 by 6. So this is the best for such question. Hope you understand. Okay, again we will discuss the next question. Next question goes like this: 4 whole 3 over 4 minus 3 whole 7 over 4. We'll follow the second method, dear students. 4 for the 16 plus 3 19 over 4 minus 3 for the 12 minus 3 for the 12 plus 7 19 over 4 equal to 0. Or you can write, for its common, 19 minus 19, 0 over 4 is 0, that we have discussed in previous question as well. If you can write the answer directly in this step, that is also acceptable. Again we have another question. The question is 4 whole 5 over 9 minus 3 over 9. The solution is 9 for the 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. 41 over 9 minus 3 over 9. 9 is common, 41 minus 3. 38 over 9. 9 fours the 36, 37, 38 over 9. This is the answer for this. Here is not the whole number. That doesn't matter. You have to change this into improper fraction and solve this. Okay, hope you understand about the improper fraction, subtraction of improper fraction. Okay, now we have to study, we have to discuss now the next point, next content, that is changing unlike fraction to like fraction. For this, let's take an example of unlike fraction. Suppose 2 over 3 and 4 over 5 are unlike fraction. Why are they unlike? Because the denominator for fraction is 3, denominator for a second fraction is 5. They are not the same. That's why they are unlike fraction. Yes. Now, our purpose is to change both unlike fraction into like. For the solution for this question, dear students, firstly, the denominators of first and second fraction. First and second fractions are 3 and 5. First, we have to find the denominator. We have to take the denominators. Now, we know the multiple of first denominator, 3, are 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, and so on. Multiple means 1 times, 2 times, 3 times, and so on. You have to find. That is the multiples. And again, multiples of 5 are 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, and so on. And now we have to choose smallest but common multiple equal to 15. You can see here 15, here also 15. No other numbers are same, so 15 is the smallest but common multiples. There may be another common multiples, but the first common is, yes, 15. Now our purpose is to try to make the denominator of, we need to try the denominator of 2 by 3, 3 and 4 by 5, that the 15 we have to make the denominator. Now our purpose is to make the denominator 15. So from the first, 2 over 3 equal 2 times and 3 times 5, here also 5, because our purpose is to make the denominator 15. So 3 5s are 15, that's why here I have multiplied 5. If you multiply the denominator by 5, then by same number you have to multiply in numerator. So 2 5s are 10 over 3 5s are 15. And another fraction is 4 by 5 equal 5 3s are 15. Here you should remember 3. How did you obtain 3? You need to remember. And 4 times 3 equal 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15. Yes. Thus or therefore the like fractions are 10 over 15 and 12 over 15. Now they have same denominator. This is the process of changing unlike fraction into like fraction. Now we have to discuss about the comparison of fraction. Comparison of fractions. In this case, we will be discussing about like fraction, comparison of like fractions, and then unlike fractions. First, let me highlight about like fractions. Comparison, which one is greater and which one is smaller. Suppose 3 over 8 and 5 over 8. Which one is greater? Which is greater? Yeah? It's simply 3 over 8 is smaller than 5 over 8, because the greater numerator is 5. Yes, that's why 5/8 is greater fraction. Yeah, because same denominator, like fractions, if the numerator is greater, the fraction is greater. So this is the greater fraction, dear students. Just simply compare the numerator. If the greater numerator, if you find, or if in the numerator which one is the greater, that is the greater fraction. Hope you understand this. Now about unlike fraction, how to convert or how to compare the unlike fraction. Unlike fraction. Unlike fraction, yeah. First method is we can convert them into like. Suppose we have given 2/5 and 3/4. Which one is greater? Which is greater? Yes. Which is greater? We have to identify comparison. So firstly, let me try that 2/5 equal 2/5 that we have discussed. We have to find the multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20 and so on. Multiple of 4 are 4, 8, 12, that M for multiple, yes, in short form, and 12, 16, 20 and so on. So 20 is the denominator. We should make we have to convert into like. While convert into like, we should make the denominator 20 LCM. Anyway, yes, 4 here multiply by 4 here also. 4 to the 8, 5 for the 20, and again 3/4 equal 3 times and 4 times. 4 house a 25, and same by the numerator 15/20. Then which one is greater? Is 8/20, 15/20. 15/20 is greater than 8/20. Therefore 15/20 means 3/4. That original fraction is this, is greater than 2/5. This is the first method. Not only that much, we have another method as well. The same question, suppose a different question. Okay, we can see the 3/4 and 2/5. Simple solution, dear students. 3/4, 2/5, just cross multiply. 3 times 5 and 4 times 2. This is 15, this is 8. 15 is greater than 8. Therefore 3/4 is greater than 2/5. Wow, it's interesting. So just cross multiply. 3 5 the and 4 2 the, put it here, and which one is the greater product? That fraction, that sided fraction is the greater. Another example, 7/8 and 8/9. Which one is greater? For this, 7 9 ja, 8 8 ja, 63, 64. This one is greater. Therefore 7/8 is smaller than 8/9. Yes. Wow.